Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Vari. Friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to enable single-handed operation in your Oppo a57 mobile phone. First of all, I will show you what is the single-handed operation. I have one screenshot. You can see in this screenshot the screen of my mobile phone is shifted to the right bottom, and now I can operate my mobile phone in this small screen with my single hand. That is called single-handed operation, and in Oppo a57 you can do this. First of all, I will show you that I am using Oppo a57. For that, I'm going to settings, about phones, and you can see my device name Oppo a57, model number, and color operating version. That means I'm using Oppo a57. Friends, many videos on YouTube, they are fakes. They are making videos in some other mobiles and giving title of some other mobiles, and if you are doing that operations in your own mobile phone, that you are not able to do because they are fake videos. And that's why I'm showing that I'm using that particular mobile about which I'm going to in the title of this video. Okay, now I will, for enable single hand operation, go to the setting of your mobile phone and click on this gesture and motion. As you see the first option on the top of my mobile phone screen, gesture and motions, and here you have to click on this second option, quick gesture. Just click on this second option and click on this single-handed operation, the second option, this which is already enabled. If this is not enabled in your mobile phone, just enable from here, and you can see that message is already there. Swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner toward the center of the screen to launch or exit. That means you have to swipe from the corner, from bottom left or bottom right. You can do from both sides toward the center of this mobile phone screen to launch this single-handed operations. Okay, I'm just I will show you how happens. First I will swipe from right hand side bottom corner to the center of my mobile phone screen with the help of my thumb. You can see as I swipe from the right hand side, my entire screen is shifted to the right. Now I can simply use my mobile phones from here. You can see I can use whatever you want with this small screen only. If I am touching outside this screen, nothing will happen. And this is called single-handed operation. I can, if I am a right-hander, then I will swipe from right bottom corner toward the center, and if I am left-handed, then I will swipe from the left hand side to the corner. If you want to regain again to the original position, just click on this arrow symbols on the top of this window. Just click on this symbol and you will see you again get a full screen. Now I am going to swipe from left bottom corner toward the center, and you will see the entire screen is shifted toward the left. If I am a left hander, then I will use these operations, and if I am right hander, then I will shift this toward the right. So friends, in this manner you can do this single-handed operation in your Oppo a57 mobile phone. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.